The delay really seems egregious, and I wondered, as it relates to the administration of justice as a key agent in that process, if your office has learned any lessons that it can apply going forward.
Well, first of all, you see, as somebody who has been around much longer than Ms. Jackson, I'm aware that context is always very important. One has to look at what actually occurred. There was an investigation. There was a preliminary inquiry. It had to go through the parish court. Then there was a committal to the circuit court. And then you have a situation where the system, certainly the circuit court level, we have tripled the volume of cases going through the circuit courts. I am in Manchester Circuit Court today, and we have nothing less than at least 250 cases after I signed 3 Crown Counsel to deal with the volume. I think the Chief Justice has said it. We have reached a stage where perhaps several of these circuits will have to be continuing perhaps all year round. So that has to be looked at. We then had a situation where one of the key lawyers in the matter for one of the accused, he died. So the accused cannot be tried without his attorney. So we had to go back to the drawing board. That is the system to make sure that he was able to retain another attorney. That took some time. Then you had the jury issue. I suspect that the jury list had not been properly settled. So we have been having a perpetual problem. Now, that is systemic, and I think it is within the domain of the Supreme Court to fix that by making sure that the jury lists are properly settled by the JPs, the custodies, and the parish court senior judges. So that was unfortunate. But we had COVID intervening as well, and that took out another 2.5 years.